Welcome revival. Grant, smile. There you go. Woo-hoo. Scooty Scoot, what you doing?
We're trying to get
You polishing the lobby?
back a little bit of the luster in this aluminum. And this is only part of it. I'm not going to show the other part because if you want it done, you'll get a hold of me.
Yeah, we got a guy that does the thing.
With the thing.
And he works at my place. And he probably works with Chuck too soon. Look, we're going to share. We're going to share a person.
Stop pimping me out.
I'm not pimping you, I'm whoring you.
Okay, there's a difference.
Whoring's more fun.
Yeah, but I get paid then.
Sweet Scottie, what about this?
Slutting you out's free.
Can you
Allie's got polishing stuff.
on the buffer?
Scotty,
Yes, sir.
are you polishing?
I'm polishing a knob.
Well,
And in public, too.
I would not be surprised. The man is on the job with the knob polishing. Scotty!
Yes, sir.
I got more chit for you. There you go. You're good at polishing things.
And if we do this one real quick. This is some good footage. Now, let's do this.
Are we gonna do a side by side?
Yep.
Chitty. Oh, here's the chitty one. I just pulled.
I mean, I don't have all of the equipment I normally would use because I'm not at home.
You're doing better than anybody I would know. Ooh. Hold on. Just like that. You don't have to go any further. Hold on. Just look at it. That's before and after, ladies and gentlemen. Now, imagine,
If I had all of my equipment.
and we can give him more time. Have at it. Allie.
Took that one off.
Allie. Look at the
This is what you know you saw.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Ready? Put your
I
hand
wanna
out.
see
No,
the
no, no.
face.
Give me your drink. Give me your drink.
Put your beverage down. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Now open that up.
Open your eyes. Unwrap your present.
I can feel
Unwrap
it.
your present.
Nice and smooth. Oh my,
That's the look we wanted!
And that's
You guys!
that's not perfect.
you guys! Hello? Hello?
Hey,
Wait
That's-
till you see this.
y'all
That's
get over
not
here.
perfect.
That's amazing.
That's nowhere near what I'm capable of doing.
Yeah, but Scottie has to present it to you.
Scotty, wait. We're gonna.
This is all I'm gonna do.
Here.
Andre.
Oh, Jesus.
Andre knows.
No, I have one that's about 10 times that size.
Okay.
Of course.
This is
what
this
we
is what we
heard.
basically started with.
Well,
Right.
hold on. Let me take a picture of
This,
Shitty.
this is the starting point.
Hey, you know what? Put it on the light real quick.
There's
There's Chitty. There's Chitty.
not yet. Well, I have them, but yeah, give me a second to show.
Chitty.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
And this is not even what I'm capable of doing, and you
Shove
know
that
that.
under the light. Woo! Oh, yes.
Including the original
Oh, sorry.
Bakelite handle.
Let's do this.
Here, put them together. Before and after. Gold microphones.
Yeah, so we took off all of the